Let's start by going to uTest.com, which is where we'll make the big bucks. What we're going to do here is to produce software evaluations so they can improve their freshly launched software. Their homepage should be visible from there. You'll find hundreds of them once you arrive. There are hundreds, if not thousands, of programs to review, and you won't need any special equipment. To qualify and review for them, you'll need technical capabilities. This platform basically makes it possible. Capterra makes it simple for developers to find key problems in their projects. This platform offers services that can rapidly and cheaply demonstrate what problems or bugs require attention to be corrected before releasing their software. We'll generate money by reviewing and recommending products. Try out software, which is the website's game. You won't require any technical knowledge. Don't be disheartened if you lack the necessary abilities. The primary reason we created this website is because for us, it's a really straightforward money-making opportunity. To further establish the legitimacy of this website, you merely need to experiment with various software. Let's get started with the registration process. Returning to the platform, uTest.com is the world's largest community of software testers. For freelance digital software testers, people's go-to destination has become uTest. Returning to the platform, uTest.com is the world's largest community of software testers and freelance digital software testers. People's go-to destination has become uTest, who are concerned about digital quality, enthusiastic about user experience, and intrigued by innovative technology. Whether it's in our academy to improve their exam skills or find a job, a money-making testing project, or networking with testing specialists throughout the world. I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up before we go any further. If you've enjoyed the video thus far, if you enjoyed and learned from this video, please share it with others. Please leave a comment in the section below. To get back to the video, when organizations like Uber want to make sure a new feature is ready before launching it worldwide, they employ uTesters to guarantee that it functions, appears, and performs as planned. Their customers rely on them. Your input is to ensure that their products meet the high expectations of their consumers and deliver the service they advertise. Furthermore, testers are compensated twice a month via PayPal. Alternatively, you can use Payoneer if it's more convenient for you. In addition, if you want to learn more about it, scroll down to read about the features of this platform. If you have any further questions, please contact us. You may also access the website's FAQ by clicking on the About Us banner right here. Again, don't be scared by the prospect of rating specific websites. It'll be as easy as pie. Let's go ahead and click on the Projects button to see all of the projects that you can look at following registration on the aforementioned portal. Of course, before I forget, this strategy can be used by anyone. Using any device, whether it's a laptop, a desktop computer, or a smartphone, Android or iPhone, it makes no difference because this strategy will work for you no matter where you are on the planet. Assuming you've already combed through the site and read all the pertinent information, we'll sign up for this program. You can do so right now by clicking this button. And you'll be taken to this page where you'll fill out all the required information. Your account was successfully processed. Provide your first and last names, as well as your address and devices. You'll be employed for the evaluations as well as the registration's last component, which is to establish your unique password. I'd also want to remind you to include your correct and personal email address. They'll give you a verification email to make sure you're a real person and not a robot attempting to create an account on their website. You'll get your own after you sign up. Then there's the dashboard, which you'll need to stay on top of things and prevent being disoriented. To begin, head to the center of your dashboard and select the option to create your account. A page will display, asking you to choose your personal payment information. That's why, in order to avoid being confused, you must already have a PayPal account. During this stage of the setup, you should think about the payment method to use. The Projects button will be visible on the dashboard. To see all of the projects, click on that. You can view it and profit from it. That's all there is to it. Now all you have to do is keep assessing. Use this program to make regular money. If you put in a little more effort, you can achieve more. You'll get an award if you're better than the rest. To sum up the video, this platform is incredible. Anyone can make money this way. All you have to do is write reviews that are fully honest about all the projects you come across. That's it for today's video.